was great competing actually. It was our first tournament together and it's an international tournament. So it was a great experience. We gave our best, but some things just didn't work out. But we're happy to be here. And yeah, looking forward to more and looking forward to playing with her more.
Chaitali, your first thoughts on the tournament, the first of a kind in India as well. So what did you think about it?
I'm excited that we have more like international tournaments like starting in India now, so we get to gain some experience and exposure as well. So very excited.
And can we also talk about the Bennett University where this tournament is taking place, where the infrastructure for paddle has been made, where we see these two courts in which you played as well. So what do you think about the facilities that are here?
It's lovely. I mean, the moment I entered, I knew it was going to be great. And the setup and everything is also very well done. Kudos to them.
You reckon the same?
Same. Yes.
And when we talk about paddle in India and the future of the sport, what is it that you guys foresee?
There are talented players in India, of course, but that has to be complemented with hard work. And Indians need to keep going out there, need to go internationally, compete more, experience the level more. That's the only way out, by competing more.
And Chaitali, everyone talks about paddle being, a socializing sport, a fun sport, but it is also very, very serious, and it is also equally strenuous as it would be squash or tennis for that matter.
Right. It's kind of a mix of the two, so it's even more intense when you get to a higher level. But to start off with, it's a good sport to just get get some exercise in. I don't.
And one question that I keep asking all the players is, how easy was it to adjust to the glass walls at the back?
We're
Coming
tennis
from
players, so we come from a tennis background. So it's very difficult to assess
the
because
exact opposite
yeah,
movement.
we take it on the rise, and here it's the opposite. If it's too fast, you have to run in front and then take the rebound. But yeah, practice makes perfect, I guess, and we've been trying. So
Chaitali, for you?
Same. The movements was the toughest part, adjusting in this sport. But yeah, practice and experience will help us get there.
And do you feel, last question, that tournaments like these, more tournaments like this, is going to actually broaden the perspective of paddle in India?
Definitely. I mean, my friends didn't know what the sport was, so the awareness will definitely be built if there are more tournaments like these being broadcasted to all Indians. So yeah, there's a bright future ahead.
Thank you and wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.